Today I am going to be putting up LED light strips in my room. To make sure my light strips don't fall off later, I'm going to use this tape for some extra support. Okay, so it's 6:30 p.m. and I'm done installing light strips in my room. Link to light strips and other things I used in this video are in the description down below. Do check them out and I will see you in the next one.